Where's the first aid?
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
If we turn the sign on, Virgil might see it.
Yeah, that might work.
Correct. That's how the burger take sign works.
That fixed me up real good.
So, yeah, sniper, pitchfork, gun. It's nice having a sniper, but I don't think it's the right choice anymore, because, like... Ooh, this works. Because someone has a scope. Oh yeah, those who don't know, I am playing with an Xbox controller. It does make sense for me because I did play it on it like this before. Alright,
Reload!
cool. Wait, no, just refill up the hood. I did it again. I put my gun away before I finish reloading. It's not good. Since we just left through without like getting some items and stuff, we still have plenty of supplies to work with. So first aid, health, bombs. It's gonna be so nice. Let's get going. Yeah, the reason why I'm not using a Molotov specifically is because of this, because of the water. You can't do much because of water.
Sign's on, baby! Sign is on!
I don't think we need to worry about.
Watching Virgil.
Yeah, I also don't think we need a defib
Get
anymore.
ready!
Yeah, I think first aid's the way to go. Well, let's find out once we get there.
No!
Guys. Monkey Man, I'm sorry. I don't have the chainsaw man with me. I'm sorry. This way is split up everything. Alright, cool. Two rounds of this. Two rounds of this.
Reload!
Tank twice. And then we're home free.
Hey, can y'all cover me?
Yeah,
I gotta heal.
I'm gonna heal right now because I'm very confident in my teammates.
Oh, yeah.
Gun. Where is he? He's close. See over there close? Oh, he's right here close. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ouch. Woo! Easy.
Weapons.
Get ammo. Get first aid. Run back out.
Got it.
Nice
Get up. And we should be fine.
You got milk.
Oh, it is. Work that, Lotus.
Nice work.
Yeah, just go up there, all good. Oh, it's a lot.
Hey, I'm reloading. I'm a reload.
Come on.
Reloading. Reload.
Nah, there should be the second round for the tank. Yep. Second round for the tank. We should be fine. I don't see it. That's the issue. I don't see it. Where's it gonna come from? Behind? Front? Hello? I'm just gonna... Thanks for showing me. Alright, cool. That being said, I go over here.
Hey, I hear Smoker.
I also do hear a smoker. I just don't know where. I think
Can somebody
first aid
wait up?
over here. We
I
should
gotta
be
heal.
fine. Oh, fun fact in versus.
Oh,
Chilling
yeah.
up there until the bow rise is the best option. Because if you're chilling back here, a charger can get you and you just die. Fall things right here. Okay,
I'm down!
I ain't memory of Nick and Rochelle. Oh, Coach stayed with me, and we're okay. Everything's okay. Well, we're done with that. 47 minutes. Good enough for me. Alright. Let me just prepare a few things on